Welcome to my channel product review top 5. Here are the top 5 electric window cleaner of 2025. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 5. Brand name PuRuikai, model name N361 electric window cleaner. The ultra-thin robot vacuum cleaner and window cleaning robot is a versatile gadget designed for effortless glass and floor maintenance. Its slim profile enables it to access tight spaces, while the electric cleaning function ensures streak-free windows. Equipped with a remote control, it's user-friendly and suitable for home use. The suction mechanism keeps it securely attached to glass surfaces, providing reliable cleaning. While efficient, it may struggle with heavily soiled areas. Overall, it's a convenient addition to household cleaning tools. Number 4. Brand name PuRuikai, model name PRK309 electric window cleaner. The household window automatic water spray cleaning robot is a game-changer for effortless glass cleaning. Its automatic water spray function ensures streak-free results, while the intelligent navigation covers surfaces efficiently. Remote control adds convenience, allowing easy operation from afar. Suitable for windows, mirrors, and glass doors, it tackles dirt with precision. Its safety rope adds peace of mind for high windows. However, it may struggle with heavily soiled surfaces. Overall, it's a handy device for maintaining sparkling, clean glass in modern homes. Number 3. Brand name Chovery, model name CL1 electric window cleaner. The Chovery robot vacuum cleaner window cleaning robot is a versatile device designed for effortless glass cleaning. It excels in cleaning windows, mirrors, and smooth surfaces with its electric suction and intelligent navigation. Its remote control functionality ensures convenience, while the anti-fall sensors add safety. The device efficiently removes dust and streaks, leaving glass spotless. However, its performance on heavily soiled surfaces may require manual pre-cleaning. Overall, it's a reliable helper for maintaining clean windows with minimal effort. Number 2. Brand name PuRuikai, model name PRK18 electric window cleaner. The PuRuikai robot electric window cleaner is a versatile cleaning gadget with two-way automatic spray functionality, ensuring streak-free and efficient cleaning. Its remote control feature offers convenience, allowing easy operation from a distance. The robotic design intelligently navigates windows, adapting to various surfaces and sizes. The automatic spray mechanism enhances cleaning by evenly distributing liquid for thorough results. While effective for routine cleaning, it might struggle with heavily soiled surfaces. Overall, it's a practical tool for maintaining spotless windows effortlessly. Number 1. Brand name Chovery, model name CL2 electric window cleaner. The vacuum cleaner new windows cleaning robot is a smart and efficient solution for glass cleaning at home. Equipped with electric suction technology, it adheres securely to windows, delivering streak-free results. The remote control makes operation convenient, while its intuitive design ensures easy use on various surfaces, including mirrors and tiled walls. Its automated cleaning patterns save time, and safety features like anti-drop sensors add peace of mind. This robot is a handy tool for maintaining sparkling windows with minimal effort. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.